In this video, we are going to learn how we can find area of a trapezium. First, we'll learn the formula for finding the area of a trapezium. The area of a trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B into H. A means a parallel is one of the side. It can be here. And B is another parallel side. And the height is 4 in this figure. We'll learn the properties of this trapezium. If a trapezoid is isosceles, we have three different types of trapezium. First one is isosceles trapezium and scalene trapezium and right angle trapezium. These are the three types of trapeziums we have, but in our book only the isosceles trapezium only it is given. So we are going to learn how to find the area of a isosceles trapezium only. So if a trapezoid is isosceles, then each pair of base angles is congruent. See, if so, this base and this base will be congruent. And angle A is congruent to angle D. This angle A and angle D will be congruent in isosceles. And if a trapezoid has a pair of congruent bases, then it is an isosceles trapezoid. Angle A is congruent to angle D if angle B is congruent to angle C and B is congruent to angle C. This is the next property. And the third property is a trapezoid is isosceles if and only if its diagonals are congruent. If the trapezium is isosceles, its diagonals also will be congruent. This is the diagonal. This also will be congruent. So, diagonal AC is congruent to diagonal BD. This is in the case of only isosceles. And here we have the question. Find the distance between them. Here we have the area. Area is given 828 square centimeter and bases. This we can take it as a base A and this is base B and height is not given. According to the formula is 1 by 2 into A plus B into H. So to find the area, we need the values of A, B and H. A and B are two parallel sides and H is the height. But in this question, here height is not given. Instead that area is given. So whatever the values we know, we will substitute all these values in the formula. As we know, the formula is 1 by 2 into height into A plus B, which is equal to area. Area is given, that is 828, and substitute the values of the parallel sides A and B. The value of A is 19.6 and the value of B is 16.4. So when we add that, we will get 36 and 1 by 2. When you take that side, it will become reciprocal. So 828 into, if not we can cancel 2 and 30. So that is one way. When you cancel, you will get 18. 2 table 1 time it goes and 2 table 36 goes 18 times. So H into 18, this is a multiplication. When it move that side, it will become division. So when you simplify, you will get the height as 46 centimeter. This is one way of finding the missing values. So not only the height, even they can ask you to find any one of the parallel sides, that can be A or B. And here we have the next question. The parallel sides of a trapezium or parallel sides mean this is A and B, 23 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So this is, we can take A and B. The distance between the parallel side. Distance means it is nothing but height. So height is given, it is 9. Find the area. It is so easy. In the previous question, it is given all the values. Only thing we found the height. Area also it's given. But in this question, all the values are given. Two parallel sides and then the height, everything is given. It is not mentioned directly the height. The distance between the two parallel sides. This is one parallel side and this is another parallel side. Means the distance between this is called as the height. So the formula of area of the trapezium is 1 by 2 into height into A plus B. So first write the value of A is 23 we have taken and B we have taken as a 12. So it is given according to the board mass. We need to solve the board mass. According to the board mass, we need to solve the bracket only first. But inside the bracket we have plus symbol. So add now. When you add, we will get 35. Bracket is nothing but multiplication. 9 and 35 both are odd number. So no other go. We need to multiply both this number. Then we will divide by 2. If you do like so, you will get 157.5 square centimeter. That is our area. And we have one more sum here. Find the area of trapezium whose height is 14 centimeter. It is given directly. It is height. So h is equal to 14. And parallel sides also given. So this we can take it as a is 18 and B is 9. That is our wish. You can take this is also A and this is also B we can take. So we know all the values. What are the values? We need the values to find the area of a trapezium is 1 by 2 into height into A plus B. So we know A plus B. Substitute here. In the place of A we can write 18. In the place of B we can write 9. And H is a height. It is 14. So what you need to solve first? We have multiplication, we have addition and bracket. What we need to solve here? Yes, first we need to solve the bracket. Remember this BODMAS. When you have more than one operation, you need to follow the rule of BODMAS. What the BODMAS says? Solve the bracket first. Inside the bracket we have addition symbol. So 18 and 9 if you add you will get 27. 2 and 14 you can cancel. So when you cancel 2 ones are 7 2s are 14. Then you multiply, you will get 189 square centimeter. Because we are multiplying the unit, so you will get your unit as a square centimeter. Therefore, area of the trapezium is 189 square centimeter. So it is so easy when all the values are given. Simply we can add and multiply means we'll get the area. Can you find the perimeter of the trapezium? Is it possible to find the area of a trapezium? Yes, it is possible. Not only the trapezium, all the closed figure. The figure can be a 2D shape or 3D shape, whatever it is. If it is a closed figure, we can find the area for all the figures. Okay, so here we can, once we know the values of all the four sides are quadrilateral, so all the four sides we need to add to find the area. So if you take this is A, B, C, D, add up all the four sides to know the perimeter. That's it. So area of a trapezium we know it is 1 by 2 into A plus B into height. A and B are parallel side and H is the height. Here A, B, C, D all we have taken it as a parallels all are sides. So when you add all these four sides, we will get the perimeter of the trapezium. Yes, we can find the perimeter of the trapezium. And next question, in which case a trapezium can be divided into two equal triangles? When it can be divided, as we discussed, we have three different types of trapezium. What are they? Isosceles trapezium, scale isosceles trapezium, scalene trapezium and right angle trapezium. So all the three trapeziums, if you divide, will it give equal triangle? No. If two parallel sides are equal, in length, then it can be divided into two equal triangles. It means only in the case of isosceles only it is possible. So both the parallel sides A and A, it should be, if it is 10 centimeter, this also should be 10 centimeter. Then only we can divide the triangle as a two equal triangle. Yes, the next sum. The area of a trapezium 352. Here also the area is given and the distance between the parallel sides. What is mean by distance? Yes, it is height between its parallel sides is given. So it is height. The height is 16. If one of the parallel side is of length 25 cm, it's not mentioned which one, whether it can be A or B. Since it is given one of its parallel side, then find the length of the other side. Okay, we will take this, let the length of the required side is x centimeter, because we don't know the other side. We are taking it as a x centimeter. And given value 25 centimeter one parallel side, we will take it as a and 16 is your height. So substitute all the values now. 1 by 2 into 16 into 25 plus x. Why this x? Means it is unknown. The other side is unknown. So that only we have taken it as a x. Now, as per the board mass, we need to solve the bracket only first. But inside the bracket, we have an unknown variable. So it is not possible to add numerical value and the variable. So just leave it. Then you cancel the 2 and 16. It gives you 8. So once you get this 8 into 25 plus x, multiply. Now this 8 is common for 25 as well as for x. So 8 25s are 200 plus 8 into x, 8x. So this you will get, and already we know the area. What is the area? 352. So this 200 plus 8x should be equalized to the 352 square centimeter area because it is given in the question. So we, to know the unknown variable, we need to equalize to some other value. Then only we will get the unknown variable. Here we can equalize to the area. So if so, 200 is in a plus. When it comes this, it will become minus. Subtracting means 152. 8 is in a multiplication. When it comes this side, it will become division. So 152 by 19, if you cancel, it 8, if you cancel, you will get 19. So the other parallel side is 19 centimeter. This is how you can find. So we have learnt when the values are given, means both the parallel side and height is given, how to find the area. If height is not given, how to find the height with the help of the given area, that also we learnt. And the third method is one of the sides are not given, how to find. All these missing values we can find with the help of the area. And next one, mention any 3 life situations where the isosceles trapeziums are used. You may get a doubt, why do we want to learn all this trapezium where I'm going to use in my real life? Of course, we will be using to know the area or perimeter of this rooftop and lamp, and to know the area of this bag and popcorn cover and this table, to know the area, and to know the area of this clock and this lamp. All this we need to use the area of a trapezium. And here we have some questions. It is from exercise 2.3. Find the missing values. Here height is given, parallel sides are given. Why not? Then we can find the area by multiplying the all the values. This is our formula. A plus b into h. So 1 by 2 into the values are 10 plus 12 into h is 20. So first add the bracket. So 1 by 2 into 22 into 20. So cancel now 10 times. So 22 into 10 gives you 220 square centimeter. This is how you can find the area. And the remaining thing, here missing values are given. You just try these sums. In the next video, we will share all this. See, here we have the question answers. Area A is equal to B. All the values are given. Height is not given. Area is given. How to find the missing values? Yes, we can find. First, substitute the values. 13 in this video. Only this first question is I have solved here. And second question answer is here. 492 is your area. And height is not given. So first add up the sides. When you add, we will get 41. Either you can cancel the 2 and 14 here itself. If not, take to that side. So all the opposite. Multiplication goes division. Division goes multiplication. Then you can cancel 41 and 492. It goes 12 times. So 12 into 2, it is 24. The height is 24 centimeter. This is how you can find the missing value. It's height. And one more sum here. We need to find one of the side, length of the other side. One side is given, that is 16. Height is 19. Area also it's given. Then how to find? First write the area of a trapezium formula. Then all the values substitute in the given formula. The 1 by 2 into height we know, that is 19. And A we do not know, so take it as X or leave it as A. And B we know it is 16. So according to the board mass, first we need to solve the bracket, but inside the bracket we have the variables. It is not possible to solve. So try to transfer these values to the opposite side. So 2 is in a division. When it goes that side, it will become multiplication. 19 is in multiplication. When it goes that side, it will become division. So 323 divided by 19, if you do, you will get 17. So 17 2s are 34. And now this 16, we can move that side. It is in plus. When it goes that side, it will become division. So A is equal to 18 centimeter. This is how you can find.